Dominic, what did you think of your daddy's bolognese sauce? Oh, you just have some water. Very nice. Very nice. Oh, and the bottle, it's all gone. It's all gone, hasn't it? Was it yummy? Was it yummy? Oh, pardon you. Should we put this down? Should we put this down? Wow, bolognese sauce was really nice. Ooh. Oh, you'd like more water, would you? Oh, very good. Water's very good for you. Good boy, holding your beaker. Only 7 months old and you can hold your beaker. What a big boy. Oh, is it going? Is it going? Where's it gone? Where's it gone? Where's the beaker gone? Where is it, Dominic? Boo, there's the beaker. Where is it? Where's the beaker, Dominic? Oh, oh! Where's it gone? Where's it gone? Is it on the floor with the spoon? Dominic!